What if the ground beneath your feet could tell stories millions of years old? Fossilized footprints, called trace fossils, do just that. These ancient tracks capture moments in time, revealing how long extinct creatures moved, hunted, and even socialized. By analyzing the size, depth, and patterns of these prints, scientists reconstruct behavior, like herds migrating or predators stalking prey. Innovations in 3D scanning now let researchers study these fragile fossils in stunning detail, helping us unlock the mysteries of ancient worlds and inspiring new discoveries every day. Stay curious.